Ah, super, das ist gerade noch etwas. Das wäre das Jägermesser. Da mit der Einhandklinge.
The world-famous Swiss Army knife. Where is it made? And how? Hello, my name is Erwin Müller. I am the production manager at Victorinox in Ibach, Switzerland. Let me show you how our famous Swiss Army knife is made. Here we are in the steel hall. The blades are made from this steel. We get this high-quality stainless steel from our neighboring countries. We process 2,750 tons of it every year. Victorinox was founded by Karl Elsener in 1884. The company's name, Victorinox, was composed of the first name of the founder's mother, Victoria, and inox, the abbreviation of the French word for stainless steel.
Bildeten neu den Namen Victorinox.
We use various punching machines for punching out the different parts like knife blades, screwdrivers or can openers from the raw material. In this furnace, the steel is heated to a temperature of 1940 degrees Fahrenheit and then quickly cooled down. This process makes the parts very tough, increasing their durability. At this stage, precision is everything. Each component must be cut and sharpened very precisely to ensure its high functionality within the pocket knife. The specified tolerance range is 0.02 of a millimeter. Let me illustrate. A hair on your head has a breadth of 0.06 of a millimeter. This means we are more precise than a hair's breadth. In this room, 15 million components are turned over every month, like these blades, for example. With these blades, we make 60,000 pocket knives a day, producing 500 different models. The pocket knife is composed of many individual components, making it very versatile. People put it to all sorts of uses, even in space. Astronaut Chris Hadfield deployed his Swiss Army knife when the space shuttle docked at the Mir space station and he was unable to open its hatch. He took out his pocket knife and used it to gain access to the space station. The large series are machine assembled. Here you see the manual assembly of specialty knives like budding knives, rescue tools for emergency services, golf tools for golfers, knives for sailors. We have a specialty Victorinox knife for every profession. This is balance time. Everyone in the entire factory joins in twice a day for 5 minutes. The aim is for the employees to get a relaxing break from work and subsequently return to their workstations with their mind refreshed and aware of their bodies. These exercises have cut our working hours lost in half. The final step in the production process is the polishing of the pocket knife. Having gone through all these stages, the Swiss Army knife is now ready for shipping all over the world.